So to be able to do this, we'll first find a picture we want to use for the caller ID. Then you duplicate it. Now you tap on edit. Then we make sure we change the picture aspect ratio to 3:4, which you make sure you select horizontal. Okay, so now you tap on done. You make sure you scale it and make sure what you want to see is in frame. Now open your phone book. Then you select the contact you want to use. Then you make sure you scale the picture and move it wherever you want it to be. Then you tap on choose. Now the rest you tap on done, then you are done. Now for the full screen caller ID to work, by default it's set to banner. So you head over to your settings. Then you tap on phone. You tap on incoming calls. Then you make sure you change it from banner to full screen. So now I'll try and call this phone, and you see we now have a full screen caller ID. You can repeat this same process if you want to apply this to other contacts. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, kindly drop a like on it and also subscribe to the channel, share, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and peace out.